what's really interesting is whatever grew someplace 30, 40, 50 years ago because of climate change may not be what is suitable today, may not be what is suitable in 30 and 40 years. So the key is identifying climate-resilient seed sources and rightly positioning genetic diversity to keep pace with rapidly changing conditions.
No doubt that crop diversity is key in our efforts to strengthening the sustainability of our food systems. Crop diversity is making our food systems more resilient by adjusting food production to a changing climate, new pests and diseases, as well as consumers' preferences, and providing healthy and nutritious food.
We can ensure that our efforts are sustainable and resonate with the needs of those who inherit the consequences of our actions. Sustainability in food production is paramount. Increasing crop diversity is not just an ecological necessity, it is a strategic move to mitigate the effects of climate shocks on food access and availability.
Farmers are confronted with numerous impacts of adverse effects of climate change. So the Genebank provided germplasm to the universities and to the research centers and select the climate resilient varieties or the drought tolerant varieties of rice, contributing to seed security and agri-food systems.
I think it's very important to remember that no matter how tragic or difficult our short-term problems are, and they will demand our attention, the climate crisis is still going to be there. It's not going away.
We speak with increasing volume and intensity of the loss of biodiversity and its consequences. And we understand increasingly well how closely the climate crisis and the loss of biodiversity are intertwined and how strongly they mutually exacerbate each other.
And we're talking about food security, our livelihood, our ability to survive. And that's why we need to be able to work together, collaborate and cooperate.